In a tiny village under the roots of a big oak tree, Millie the Mouse ran a cozy little bakery. Her crumb cakes were famous across the forest. One rainy morning, a soggy squirrel knocked on Millie's door. "I have no coins," he said, "but I'm very hungry." Millie smiled and gave him a warm cake. The next day, Millie found golden crumbs on her counter. "Strange," she whispered. Each time she gave away a cake, more golden crumbs appeared. Greedy Gus the raccoon heard about the magic crumbs. He demanded 10 cakes and offered nothing in return. Millie frowned. "Kindness isn't for taking," she said. Millie baked a giant cake and invited everyone, rich or poor, big or small. They shared stories, laughter, and crumbs that sparkled brighter than ever. Millie's bakery became a place of magic, not because of crumbs, but because of kindness. Sharing makes the world sweeter. Thank you.